This is my soya bean. So this, because there are some stones and then leave it in the sun to dry. Yeah, you see. Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I want to prepare soya bean flour. So here I have my soya bean here. This is my soya bean, and I'm going to use dates for my soya bean. So this is my dates. So this date is optional. It's just to sweeten the soya beans. So now I'm going to select stones from my soya bean. So let's select it because there are some stones and dirt in the soya beans. Look at all the stones and dirt that I removed from the beans. So now I'm going to transfer into a large bowl and wash it. Then let's go and cook it with my hot plate. I'll leave it on fire to boil. Guys, now I want to wash the dirt. And now I will open and remove the seed. Look at the seed. Okay, so I'm done removing the seed. Now I will leave it in the sun to dry. If you don't cook it to remove the shaft, you can soak it in water for 3 days. So I'm done washing it. Now I will add water and remove the shaft. Look at the shaft and look at how clean my beans looks. Okay, so guys, and now I will transfer to the tray and spread it and then leave it in the sun to dry. Soya beans is well dried, so now I will fry it. Look at it. I wash and sun it. It's well dried, so now it's time for me to fry it. So let's fry it. Transfer it to the pot and fry it. I'll fry it until it turns golden brown. Golden brown before I put it down. So I'll put it down now. You can see it's golden brown. So I'll turn it here and I will allow to cool down before I take it to the market to grind it, because I don't have a grinder that can grind it at home. So I will take it to the market and grind it. So let's leave it to cool down before we can take it to the market. And this is my dates. I'll add the dates together with the soya beans to go and grind it. Okay, so it's cool now. I can now pack it in my container. Then the dates. Okay, I'll see you guys in the market. So guys, I am done grinding it. So this is the outcome of our soya beans flour. Very smooth, very nice, very sweet. Yeah, you see? Very smooth. You can use soya milk, you can use soya beans for children and adults. Any food, you can add it to any food. You can add it to baby food, you can add it to adult food. It contains a lot of vitamins, contains protein, fiber. Like, it's very healthy, it's very good for health. So prepare soya beans for your family and enjoy the good content of it. Thank you for watching. Mwah!